My dear students, now Nivedita Joshi is here by taking a new video on reproductive health. This is a chapter from class 12th. In this chapter, we will study some topics like reproductive health, its the problems related to it, and the strategies. So, reproductive health, it is defined by the WHO as a total well-being in the physical, emotional, behavioral, and social aspects of reproduction. India is the first country to initiate action plans at the national level to attain total reproductive health, and these programs are called as the Family Planning Program, and the program was initiated in 1951, and later on the same program was named as RCH, that is Reproductive and Child Health Care. There is a technique, amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is a technique. It is a technique it is a diagnostic technique in which sample of amniotic fluid is taken from the womb of a pregnant woman during the early stages of fetal development. And the purpose of developing this technique and the utility of this technique is by this technique one can find out the sex of the developing baby, as well as it is also used for metabolic disorders in fetus. Means if there is any metabolic disorder in the fetus, then it can be find out, as well as to know the genetically controlled congenital diseases if the fetus is having. So this was the purpose, this was the aim for developing such technique. As I told you that the amniotic fluid is withdrawn from the mother's body, it means means from the fetus which is developing in the mother's body. So whenever the amniotic fluid is withdrawn, that fluid also consisting of a number of proteins, especially enzymes, and there are some cells also, so fetal cells. The fetal cells can be cultured in vitro for the further examination, means to find out whether there are some problems. But what happened? This technique was misused. This technique was misused for destroying the normal female fetuses. Means, you know very well, female feticide. You have heard this word, female feticide. So this technique is statutory ban to check the increasing female feticide. So this is the reason, because the people started killing if the fetus is female. So that's why there is a ban. Now we will study what is population explosion and what measures we can have to check the population explosion. So first, what is population explosion? So this is a sudden large increase in size and number of the population. This is called as the population explosion, or in other words we can say it is the rapid increase in the number of individuals in a area. So if we see the scenario of our country, that is of India, so population of India was around 361 million during the census of 1951, and now it reached over 1.34 billion. So there is tremendous increase, and this increase gave rise to number of social problems, as well as it damaged the development of the country as well as society. So that's why we need to check the population explosion. Now what are the possible reason for the population explosion. So we have some reasons here. More reasons are there. The most common of them are that is decline in death rate, decline in the maternal mortality rate, that is MMR, decline in infant mortality rate, increase in number of people in reproductive age, poverty, illiteracy, advanced medical treatment, traditions and cultural norms, and the better health facilities. So these are the reasons for population explosion. Now, how can we check? How can we check birth control? The most important step to control population growth is to motivate smaller families by using contraceptive methods. This is one of the one method to control birth. And the other steps or other methods are by raising of marriageable age. This can be done, this can be achieved, and incentives can be given to the couples with the small families. So there are certain measures which can be implemented. There is given in this flow chart, there are different methods of birth control. So contraceptive methods are there. So methods are it is natural as well as artificial methods are there, which are implemented and are used for the small families. So this is shown here. All methods are shown over here. Like in artificial method, there is barrier method. Also, there is oral contraceptive, IUDs, implants, surgical methods are also there. So there are different methods. Now, in this slide, we will study what is MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Means that if there is pregnancy and is no more needed, there should be a proper reason. That time this is applied, medical termination of pregnancy. So it means it is a legalized, this process is legalized by the government of India in 1971, and with very strict condition to avoid its misuse. Especially in the previous slides we have gone through female feticides. So it is this technique is used, or this process is used when the pregnancy is harmful to the mother or fetus or for both. That time it is this process is used. So it is safe, and this process can be done up to the 12 weeks of pregnancy. So this is so. Now STDs. The next topic is STDs, that is sexually transmitted diseases, and to this we are also call it as a venereal diseases. So the diseases which are transmitted through the sexual intercourse, all the diseases are called as the STDs. So many STDs are there, but from those 3 viral infections are there. One of them is AIDS, genital herpes, and hepatitis B. These are the 3 viral infections which cannot be cured. Other STDs are also there, but they can be cured if detected early and treated properly. And this is found that these diseases are high. The level of these diseases this is seen high among individuals of age group of 15 to 24 years. Now after this topic you have an assignment, short assignment. You can try for this.